Hanap mo ba ay rent-to-own condo unit? No down payment? Nasa prime location din ito, along National Road and near Batangas Startol Exit. Tara na sa Urban Deca Homes, Batangas. It is located at Barangay Balagtas, Batangas City with only 10 reservation fee. Ang next amortization mo ay after house turnover. Good investment for rental or Airbnb business. Dahil napakalapit nito sa mga schools like Lyceum of the Philippines, Batangas State University, at University of Batangas. Walking distance lang ito sa SM Hypermarket and near mall, schools, and hospital. With complete amenities na. For just 16,000 monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig, meron ka ng 2-bedroom na pwede mo nang paupahan. Pwede ito sa Pag-ibig and bank financing. Mid-rise building lang ito kaya limited lang ang inventory. Kaya message us for more details and free site viewing